Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Oh boy, this is the good old what is veggie stew with rice and peas, sweet potato, and banana. Oh my god, tastes so good. Woo. Shan, none for you. Don't vex. So I'm at my aunt's funeral now. So we already started. I can pop it. Yeah, man.
Cynthia Williams, a mother, grandmother, sister, aunt, and a friend. Her given name was Olga Cynthia, but she never used Olga. For everything except the most formal of documents, her name was Cynthia. To her family, friends, and loved ones, she was Ivet or Aunt Ivet. She was born in Amity, a small sleepy district in Westmoreland, to Nellie and Edmund Williams on December 26, 1943. She was an active, playful child, from all accounts, climbing trees, jumping from waterfalls, and being generally rambunctious and full of life. She loved telling stories from her childhood, often laughing until tears would come when she recalled all the childhood mischief that she and siblings would get into. She was a multifaceted woman, but when she
was strong and vibrant, her 91 years old brother Ashley was. Aunt Ivet. She was Aunt Ivet to many. She was a loving auntie to her nieces, nephews, grandnieces, and grandnephews, and many others. She was a loving mother figure to both those related by blood and those she adopted into her heart, singing and dancing. Her values. She loved the church. She loved people. She believed in treating every human being with dignity and respect. She did not believe in assigning value to people based on their race, color, social class, or any other artificial markers.
She was a wonderful human being. She is our beloved. The glue that holds us together. She will live in our memories and will do our best to honor her legacy and spirit.
Life of Olga Cynthia Williams.
Thank you. Thank God. For those who didn't know, now we know. Thank God that in preparation for the spoken word, coming to us by way of our
big car. Let me see if I can go big car. Well, alright. Yeah, man, come to funeral. Our Jamaican funeral. So far, we have to park a couple of people.
You have to know the place. You have to know the place inside out. And you can't find one here fast. I know that's why I'm not so hot.
Welcome to Orange. Nice day still. Sunny.
We going to party tonight, yeah. Yeah. Jamaica, watch over us. As I will send James. Remember we when we're gone, we live forever. Salt Spring, we not going under. I'll get on you, get your money longer. Ready, broke pocket now work. Straight for dinner run now, make no wrong turn.
Remember when we run the last joke and have the last laugh? Even though me grow tough, you know me heart soft. Inna the party vibe when we a smoke and we a flash off. Never know said a 45 they would a blast off. To all me vex dog, me have to keep me clocks off. Hear some man a talk tough and some a talk.
Me brother link me from prison and tell me say a Flory must sleep. Him tell me say a Flory must sleep. Him say one cell a 3 man fake. Dirty water cockroach pan the concrete. Oh God. So him said China come here charge it.
Granted the time we are spending with friends. Now them gone. Used to split so early not too your pass when the preacher pray over your body that day. Some me know me lose a friend. It hurt me to me heart, life won't be.
I just go when daytime. Nobody knows when you not have it yet. I saw your heart still always. So when I innocent life pass, the one them will get take when I the dark. Them say things we have, you know, be question the Lord, but this way me have to ask, oh God, where do angels go when they die? Is there a heaven in the sky where nobody knows?
Yo, Zoom, I've dreamt about my own death, which makes me appreciate life more. I've also had dreams about my own life, which makes me appreciate that more.
Gone away, yeah, away, yeah, gone away, yeah, gone away. Put up your light up for your friend, them we pass away. Oh, change the ways, but they make another mother cry tears. Could I take all the weight of the world, but me can't hold up unto me. Them not them meant to with music, but no know the pain no feel. Get a youth to feel it, you get a pain real. Not a friend miss it dying by the steel. He was only 17, so why them kill off Kaji? No mother gone with another one. Let a mother cry for another son. Please mama hold on, please mama hold on, yeah. So rough the road is, tired for your sky. Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. None of these bad days, you know say you with up. Me woulda trade house and car and cheddar. Just forget one more minute